Okay. Now, those who missed, please, you can go back to YouTube and always see that. Okay, whatever I've done. So our objective here is to make this. Okay, so what I've done is first I've made a block. The block of 120 by 60 by 35. That is what is the maximum block. Okay, so now what I'll do next is it's up to you. Okay, up to you. However you do is it's up to you. So next I'm going to remove some material here. So what material I can remove this also first. It's not hard and fast. I can remove build from here also. This material also I can remove. I can remove this material also. It's up to you. Whatever you remove, there is no hard and fast rule. Please understand that. So let us remove this material first. Okay, this part. This 60 from this end, 10D. Okay, 60 from this end and 10D. You see this? So I'll remove that material. So this is from the front. Yes. So here I remove on this remove on this surface. This surface has to remove. That is what I'm removing is this part I'm removing. This part I'm removing. 60 from this end and 10D. This is what I'm removing. So this I click on the surface where it has to be removed. Say again say extrude. Okay, then go to sketch view. Then you can switch off the view. I'll go to no hidden because I always find this better. Switch off all these things so it is clean. So you can use a center or you can use corner rectangle. See, just like this. Now I just have to define this. It's not necessary that it has to be here because there is no material here, so it doesn't matter if it is big also. So, but I will define this. So go to normal, say from here to here. Click these two and click the middle button. That is scroll button. Dimension will appear. So how much is this? This is 60. Right? That is, if you see here, the 60, right? From here to here is 60. So this is 10. So I will define this 10. So from here to here 10. So if it's already there, this dimension is there, I just need to define this. This is 10. Okay, so if it's big, doesn't matter. Okay, let it be. Okay, so but this has to be a little bit bigger because I want to I ensure that it is big. Yeah, I'll do this again. Okay, I'm just making it bigger. Okay, so I'm defining this. This 60. I'm doing this again. See, this 10 is already there. If it's big, doesn't matter. Okay, but there's no material here and here, so it will cut everything. So our objective is to remove this material. So it doesn't matter if it's big also. Because there's no material this side. So I say okay. Our main concern dimension is this 60 and 10. Say okay. So I don't want to extrude this side. So you can say you can just you see this, just pull this, click this and just start pulling this side. Okay, it doesn't matter what is dimension here. It doesn't matter. Let it go. You say then you see this remove material button. You say remove material. So when you do that, this material would be removed. So that is this material has been removed. So you say okay. So this is made. See, remove the material here. So let us remove similarly. Let us remove material here also. Okay, that is there. You can remove from the side also. You can remove from the top also. Doesn't matter. Okay, so how much has to be removed first? This is from here. So this is bigger, isn't it? Let us. I'll do. If it's not there, I'll just 20. So how much is the total? 35. plus 10, 20, 5. 10 has to be removed from here. So 10%, only 10 is removing. So this is bigger actually. Doesn't matter. We can add material there. So let us remove this part now. Okay, or you can remove the entire thing. Doesn't matter. You can remove the entire thing and add, because this is 10, this is 10, so 20, only 15 is left here, right? So that means the entire thing has to be removed. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll remove the entire thing because this is not at this level. So I'll remove this material, entire thing. This 10 from top. This is there, so I'll remove material from the top. This on this section I'll remove the material. So extrude, say sketch mode, say no hidden. So let us create a rectangle here. So I remove the entire material here. So how much has to be removed? You have to see the dimension here. It is 15 from here. Okay, this is 15 from. So what I'm doing, I remove the entire material this side. So go to normal. Say from this end to this end is 15. Okay, so let it be because there's no material this side, there's no material this side, there's no material this side. So I keep this rectangle bigger, doesn't matter. Okay, so only I have to maintain is 15 this side. Say okay. Now material has to be removed which side? This side. Okay, how much it has to be removed? 10. You see this? This is 10 has to be removed. So but the here it has extruded here, but you have to remove the material. So see, you see this, remove material, say remove material. Say okay. So this is done. Okay, so this basic we have made this with 35 maintain this. Now we have to make this projection. This is 20 up. Okay, this 15 by uh, this 30, right? So this is 15 by 15. 15 by 15, 15 by 15 square, and 20 up. So you can make on this, okay, on this surface, say extrude, sketch view, so this top plane, say no hidden, so this is what we see. Now you can use this rectangle, any, doesn't matter. Make a rectangle here. But what we know is this rectangle, this side, this will come on this edge, and this will come on this edge. So you can always do constraint here. That is coincide. Okay, this constraint, you can use this constraint. You say this is coinciding with this, and this is coinciding with this. Is that I have made only one, doesn't matter. And these two are equal, right? So I can always make equal because see, this is 15 by 15, 15 by 15. This is 15, right? And this also 15 is written, mentioned here. So I'll make this 15 by 15. So I can make this equal. You see this equal sign in the constraint? Say you can use this. You can say this equals this. So both will be equal. Now how much is this? This is 15. Double click on this, say 15. Okay? So I'm just making one, okay? This another thing I can always mirror it. I can always mirror it. Say okay. So how much it has to go up? It has go up. 20 it has go up. So you write 20 here. Okay, so this is done. Now one more is there this side, yes. One more is there. So it's not required to make again because I already have a, if you see switch on the plane, I have a middle plane here. This plane is right bang on the middle. So I can always, what I can do, I can mirror it. So the extrude 4, this is the extrude 4. Okay, extrude 4, you say mirror. You see mirror? Here, the mirror. So it's asking what is the mirror plane, which is the middle plane. That is mirror plane. Mirror plane, this is my mirror plane. Just click this, front plane, in my case. So one plane, say okay. See now, easy. Another one also has been made. Okay. Now what is remaining? I have to make a hole here. Hole of dia 20, which is 30 from here. Actually, the 60, right? So it is bang on the middle. 20 from this side and 30 from this side. Okay, 20 from this end and 30 from this end. So let us make that. So this is hole is here on the middle. Here on this surface, the hole. Just click on the surface. Say extrude again. Now again yeah. I'm not able to hear it. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm just uploading. I'm just teaching. Those who can hear me, just hear me out. Those who cannot hear me, okay, I'm uploading this in the YouTube. So I say sketch. Okay, sketch view. So you can go to again. If I want to see everything, you can show no hidden. Okay, now this is there. Now this this is there. You have to make this. See, this is here only. 30 means it is in the middle only. So make a circle of dia. How much? This dia 20. Okay, is 30 from this side, that means in the middle. So I'm not writing 30 here because my plane is already there, so I'm creating on the center on this only. So but what I have to maintain is this distance I have to maintain. So from here to here is 20, from this surface to this is 20. So how do I maintain? From here to here is 20 is given, so no need, I don't calculate. Okay, so just say from here, from this surface to the center middle click is how much? 20. This diameter is 20. Okay, so this is it is placed, properly placed, and the dimension is okay. I say okay. Now see, it can be extrude also, but I don't want extrude. Just click here and pull it down. Okay, you can pull it as far as you want. Okay, so remove material already it has been ticked. If you don't tick, it will be extrusion. If you tick, it will be material will be removed. So this is also done. Material also has been removed. Okay, now I have to make another hole here. Okay, so let us make another hole. This hole, see, I can do other things also, but I'm not teaching you pattern and all this just now. There are other methods to make, transfer this hole, copy this hole. But in this case, let us make this hole again. So on this surface only, okay, extrude, sketch view, go to no hidden. Now let us make another hole. This is all the same size. You can make it equal also. This equal. This equals this. You don't need to write 20. Now dimension is given. 45 from this side. From the center is 45. So maintain that from here to this center to this center is 45. So say normal from here to here. This is 45. This also maintained. Say okay. You press the middle button and rotate it. No, I don't want this. I want the metal to be removed. So just click it and drag it down. It doesn't matter the dimension here. Okay, or you can write through and through hole also, doesn't matter. This will also do. So say okay. So your work is complete. So all of you, please take a screenshot of this diagram. Okay, please take the screenshot of this diagram, all of you. I'll post it in your WhatsApp also, doesn't matter. So this is how it is done. Okay, this is made. There are other ways of making it also. Okay, you can add, you can make this block, you can make this block, you can make this block all separately. You make this block, you can build it up. Whatever you do it, okay, doesn't matter. So that's it. So you practice this